This is the electrophilic addition, but this picture has errors. Let's check the first diagram. What errors do you see in this picture? To start with, the dipole is flipped. So this should be here, this should be here. Always, always the atom closer to the double bond, closer to the pi bond. Remember, the pi bond is an area of high density of electrons. What will attract to electrons, what will attract to negative charges is positive. So the dipole should have been positive here, negative here. There's nothing wrong with this arrow, but this arrow should be flipped. It should come from the pi bond to this atom. So these are two errors. What's wrong with this second diagram here? Do you see any error? This is fine here. There's nothing wrong with this. But this should be a negative ion. Didn't we just break this bond and this takes away the electrons? So this should be negative and there should be a pair of electrons right here. Those are the ones that will make the dative bond with this carbon. So I'll write these here. First error is the dipole. It's been flipped. The second error is the arrow I mean. And the third comes with the chlorine, which should have been a chloride with a pair of electrons. They're telling me here that there's nothing wrong with this one. This is fine. Structure of the carbon cation intermediate is correctly drawn. Explain why this positive charge is on the carbon atom shown. Why is the carbon cation this one, not this one? Why is it more likely to get the intermediate carbon cation in the middle of the molecule? This is really frequent question. And as always, the answer has to do with stability. Look, a stable carbon cation is always the one that has many neighboring carbons. In other words, the more neighbors we have, the more carbons we have. Like if I had another carbon here or another carbon here on the right, this will become even more stable. The stabilization of the carbon cation has to do with methyl groups around. The greater the number of methyl groups, the more stable the carbon cation is. So that's what I'm saying here. I'll tell them this simply is one mark. I said, well, this carbon cation is tertiary. It has 3 other carbons around, right?